Hey everybody, just wanted to show you a couple more of the flower wreaths that I finished up, and I haven't got pictures or anything up yet. So we've got a new black and white buffalo check one, and this one has a dark black sunflower center. So we will do that one. This one turned out really cute. And this one is the poly burlap white with the buffalo check fabric mesh. That one turned out really cute. And then we've got, let's see, this one. And this one is the natural, like burlap color, natural color. And that is all fabric mesh. And that's got the buffalo plaid fabric mesh in it, with the light cream color sunflower center. That's it. Alright guys, just wanted to show you those two that I've got up. Bye guys.